Hello and welcome to the Shilpa Shetty channel, and this is the art of loving food. We lead such fast-paced lives. आजकल की ज़िंदगी ऐसी भाग-दौड़ भरी हो गई है कि हम हमेशा ही stressed out रहते हैं. So what can we really do when we are having a not so good day? I know something that can be really comforting. It's called the pumpkin soup, and this vegetable is known to reduce mood swings and improve mental health. So chaliye, let's unwind, put on some good music and start cooking our pumpkin soup. We take a teaspoon of oil. That's all you need. Half an onion. A tablespoon of ginger, a tablespoon of garlic. Now we add in the pumpkin. A stick of celery. This is optional. If you don't have it, that's fine. Now we add in 500 ml of vegetable stock. Vegetable stock banana बहुत ही simple है. You get ready-made vegetable stock cubes in the market. You take a cube, put it into warm water, and you mix it, and then you add it into your soup. That's it. At this point, please taste the soup because most vegetable stocks already are very high on sodium, which means that there is already salt added. So, yes, so it's salty enough. You don't need to add more salt to this. You add quarter teaspoon of cayenne pepper. We close the cooker. Okay. Now we just let it boil on a medium flame, around 4 whistles. अब इसे blend करेंगे. Now to make sure that you don't get any bits in your mouth, you just put it through a sieve. ये हो गया हमारा सूप तैयार. We just garnish it with a bit of coriander. A bit of pepper. The last addition of coriander is really underestimated. Coriander is a great herb to alkalize your body and your food, and pepper also fights coughs and colds. So great for your immunity. This healthy, light pumpkin soup is also a great option when you're rushing around and you don't have time, to make a full-blown meal. It's a great way to also help boost your immune system and energy on the go. Plus, it tastes so yummy. अगर आपको quick और healthy recipes देखने हैं, then please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like and share what you see. Until we meet again, स्वस्थ रहो, मस्त रहो. Eat your soup.